Here's a snowblower that offers power and convenience to make snow removal a breeze. The Craftsman 28-inch dual-stage snowblower. It features a push-button, electric start, 277cc 4-cycle gas engine with overhead valve. Perfect for use on large paved driveways as well as gravel sidewalks. Good Lux Glide Tech skid shoes slide along any obstructions. It easily clears a 28-inch path as the 12-inch serrated steel auger breaks up hard-packed snow, sludge, or ice. With 6 power-propelled speeds, 0-turn steering, and large 16-inch by 4.8-inch X-Track tires deliver enhanced maneuverability in snowy conditions. Featuring a 4-way, easy-to-use joystick, 190-degree chute rotation, while the toolless drift cutters carve into snowdrifts and drop the snow on the snow thrower's path. An in-dash LED headlight, plow-style handles, and mitten grip starter handle provide for real convenience and operating comfort. Take control of snow clearance with the Craftsman 28-inch dual-stage snowblower. That's the kind of quality and performance you can expect from the Craftsman brand.